how to convert speech to text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Hearing Enhancement. After click on Hearing Enhancement, you will see first option is Live Transcribe. Click on Live Transcribe and click on Open Live Transcribe. After click on Open Transcribe, and if you want to convert speech to text, click on this settings icon and you will see you will increase or decrease text size from here, and you will see more settings. You will see, and you will see open sound notification, explore after transcribe history. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can convert speech to text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.